Hello world, welcome to my channel. I am Sahil and from today I am going to start a new web development series in which I will show you how to develop a CRUD application with image upload using Node.js, Express, MongoDB and EJS templating engine. And this is the first video of the series in which I will show you the demo of the application and also what I have used to develop this application. Okay. But before going to see the demo of the application, let me tell you one thing. If you are searching for cheapest and unlimited web hosting, then domainracer.com is the right place. It provides you domain as well as web hosting at very affordable price. It uses SSD storage and high speed technology. I am personally using web hosting service of domainracer.com. So at last I will also show you how to deploy this application in Linux shared hosting using cPanel. Okay. If you want to know more about all the features and plans of domainracer.com, then check the link that is given in the description box. Now let's start the demo of the application. So this is the final output of the application and this is the home page where at the top there is an app bar. Okay, and here you can see all the records from the database is displaying in a table format with two action button, edit and delete. Okay, now first let's add a new user. Okay, so when I click on this add user link, then this form is open. Okay, this page is open and let's enter some details in this form like test@gmail.com and select an image. Okay, so I'm selecting this one, and when I click on add user, then you can see the user added successfully with a successful message. Okay, and we can also edit this user. Okay, if you click on this edit icon, then you can see all the previous values are displaying in the input field. Okay, so suppose I want to change the name, so just replace the name. I will also change this email. Okay, and I will not change the phone and image. Okay, and when I click on update user, then you can see name and email only updated of this record. Okay, with a successful message. Suppose I want to update this image also. Okay, so for this again click on this edit icon and this time I will only change the image. Okay, if we select another image, then the previous image will be removed from the directory and the new image will be uploaded. Okay, so select new image and click on update user, and then you can see the new image replaces the old one. Okay, we can also delete any user. Okay, by clicking this delete icon. Okay, so suppose I want to delete this one, so click on this. Now you can see user deleted successfully. Okay, so this will be our application. Okay, now let's see what I have used to develop this application. Okay, so I have used Node.js as backend language and I have used MongoDB database. Okay, and let's see what packages I have used in this application. Okay, so I have used Express.js. Okay, so Express.js is a framework based on Node.js. It is used for designing and building web application quickly and easily. Now next I have used Mongoose. Okay, so it provides a straightforward schema based solution to model the application. Okay, next I have used EJS. Okay, EJS stand for embedded JavaScript. Okay, and it is a simple templating engine that is used to generate HTML markup with plain JavaScript. Okay, now next I will also use this Multer package. Okay, it is a middleware for handling multi-part slash form data which is used for uploading images. Okay, now I will also use this Express session package, okay, it is used for storing messages in session. And next I will use this .env package. It is used for loading environment variable from a .env file, okay. And last package is nodemon, okay, so it will monitor any changes and automatically restarts the server in localhost with the changes, okay. And I will also use some front-end libraries like Bootstrap 5 for designing, data table for pagination and sorting, and Font Awesome for icons, okay. So that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to start developing this project. Till now, thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video and also subscribe this channel. See you soon in next video.